So this is my little parakeet. She's so cute. Look at the camera. She's absolutely adorable. I name her Precious because she's so precious. So let's go and see my another parrot. So this is my mini mako. Well, in my country they call her parrotcito. She's a type of mako but very small. And there's my other parrot. Let's go and see. By the way, her name is Flappy because she always loves to fly. And this is my another parrot, Pedro. Come on, Pedro, talk. He loves to talk. Come on, talk. Come on, Pedro. You probably want to know what's the banging about. That's just downstairs doing work. Pedro. He's just a little nervous. Well, he's eating, so let's not bother him. I'm not accustomed talking in this language because in my country we talk very, very different. Okay. Don't bite the camera, Pedro. And all of total of my pets is 24. I have 24 pets in total because my dad owned a lot of dogs for hunting. So that's how. And then I have a lap and a agouti. Well, you guys in USA would know what a lap and a agouti is. Well, bye guys. Subscribe and give a thumbs up. Okay, bye.